Wow! You hold this one, yeah. Very good. Hold this one. Wow! Look is cooking. Hold the handle of the ano. Yan. Very good. Oh! Malaglag. Dumikit. Luto na hindi? Talaga? Oh! What? Kakain na agad. Tirador. Ala, tirador ng luto niya. Okay. You cannot live like that once you're done. Or else, the house will burn. Slowly. Very good. You're not done eh. One by one. Pagka tatlo lang ba nilalagay niya? Apat? Ah. It depends with the ano. Good job. Go near. Yes. Good job, Lucky. Si Lucky ay nagluluto, kuya, mama. Very good. Oh. Kasi antinador lang siya ng sarili niyang luto. Ang tamis ng mangga niya ka ng pinya de. Ito pinya ng mangga lalo. Tamis. Crunchy naman, tamis. Anak. Ang pagod na ako. Pagod ako mag-ano. Tatanim naman yung aming apple. At saka, ang aming peras. At may binili ako blueberry na mayroon na bulaklak. Hala, daddy may strawberry na. Pero baka ano pa to. Ang daming bunga. Ang liliit. Napunggok. Ayan, malapit na. Ayun, may hinog ng isa de. Ay, nahinog ng isa. Ayan. Lucky. Hindi sila naarawan. Kaya siguro ganun. Lagyan natin nga dyan. Oh, ang daming bulaklak doon. Yun, ang daming bulaklak. Ang dami. Ang daming bulaklak at strawberry na maliliit. Yan. Ah, gana siya kuya that we have strawberries. Napunggok na strawberry.
What type of conjoined deformed twin is that? That's a conjoined deformed twin.
Yeah. Oh, may inog na akong strawberry nakuha. One strawberry on top of the mango and pineapple. And then, all yellow ang pagkain natin Yeah, Sunday dinner. Anong oras na? Oras na? Robot na ba ako? Robot na yata. Anong oras na de? All yellow tayo for dinner.
And mom, look at this.
All yellow.
Mom, what do you think this is?
That's a chicken? No, it's a butter.
It's even crunchy. Actually.
Let's
Mom,
taste.
try this. Very crunchy.
Small lang. Crunchy.
Yeah, actually kind of nice. You just don't like.
Let's taste Lucas cooking. The chicken. Lucas chicken. Wow, yummy. Potato salad and coleslaw. Yung strawberry ko, yan ang importante. Galing sa garden ko. That's it. Oras na din. Lobot pa lang yung cellphone ko. Ayun ang gulo ko. Oras na, Lucky. 6:46. 6:46 na. This our dinner. Sarap ba? Ang luto ni Lucky. Dami nga. Which one sweet corn you like?
This is the smallest.
What?
The smallest.
Which one? Coleslaw. I like coleslaw. For chicken. Potato salad din nila. All yellow.
I like this.
Ramen noodles.
Mom, look at this.
Oh, juicy.
Yeah.
Yummy.
I hope the camera can see.
Wow. Daddy eat the one you cook.
Dad, look, there's a butter in this place. Mom, do you think this is butter or chicken?
Butter?
It's chicken with butter. See?
Ang tamis.
Yeah.
Sweet.
Okay.
Mmm.
Mom, this is the smallest one.
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
Can I get it?
No, yes.
Okay.
Oh, ito na. Luki lang nagsasabi na. Ayan na siya. Ayan, ang dami kong pinutol. Oh my goodness. Wala may mga solar. Solar. At ang magkamay naghuhugas na. Nilinis na. What's your IQ?
It's me. No,
It's
no,
me.
keep going.
Oh, it's yours na.
No,
Already mo.
I killed you.
Ah, yeah. So it's my turn.
Not real life. Okay, just keep going.
Oh, yes! Wow, it's so yummy! Wow. You like hipon, tiga-apat. Kanino tong kamatis? Tatlo.
Ay, may bisita ko, naghuhugas. May bisita ba naghuhugas?
So, hindi ka pala busy? Oh. Wow! Very good now. Aroy, yan, lumalabas pa ang dimple, oh!